Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best synthetic oil that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Is your car's engine running rough, losing efficiency, or burning oil too fast? Using the wrong motor oil can cause wear, reduce performance, and even shorten your engine's life. But don't worry, there's a solution to keep your engine smooth and long-lasting. Introducing Royal Purple 51530, an API-licensed SAE 5W30 high-performance synthetic motor oil, designed to protect and boost your engine. Full synthetic formula provides superior lubrication for modern engines. SAE 5W30 grade works in both hot and cold temperatures, ensuring smooth starts and stable performance. Engine protection reduces wear, friction, and deposits for a longer engine life. Performance boost helps improve fuel efficiency and engine response. Volume and packaging comes in a convenient 5-quart bottle, perfect for multiple oil changes. Vehicle compatibility ideal for most cars requiring 5W30 synthetic oil. Pros: excellent engine protection and performance. Works well in extreme temperatures. Improves fuel efficiency and reduces engine wear. Cons: slightly more expensive than conventional oils. Availability may vary depending on your location. This motor oil is best for car owners looking to maximize engine life, performance, and efficiency, especially if you drive daily or in extreme weather conditions. Number 4. Meet Shell Rotella T65W30, a full synthetic multi-vehicle diesel engine oil designed to protect and enhance engine performance. Full synthetic formula, maximum protection for diesel engines and high-performance vehicles. SAE 5W30 viscosity performs well in both hot and cold climates, ensuring smooth starts. Multi-vehicle compatibility, suitable for cars, trucks, and diesel-powered vehicles. Engine protection reduces wear, friction, and deposits, extending engine life. Advanced additives helps prevent sludge, corrosion, and maintains oil stability under heavy load. Convenient packaging, 1-gallon bottle perfect for multiple oil changes. Pros: excellent engine protection and performance under heavy-duty conditions. Supports both diesel and gasoline engines in many vehicles. Helps maintain fuel efficiency and reduces engine wear. Cons: slightly pricier than conventional oils. Mostly targeted at diesel or heavy-duty engine users, may be overkill for small gas engines. Perfect for truck owners, diesel vehicle drivers, or anyone seeking full synthetic oil that keeps engines running strong under heavy loads and extreme conditions. Priced at around $34.20 per gallon, Shell Rotella T6 offers excellent value with long-lasting protection and peace of mind for multi-vehicle use. Number 3. Introducing Mobil 1 Extended Performance 5W30, a full synthetic motor oil designed to protect your engine and keep it running smoother for longer. Full synthetic formula provides superior lubrication and engine protection. SAE 5W30 viscosity performs well in both hot summers and cold winters for smooth engine starts. Extended performance, engineered to last up to 15,000 miles between oil changes in most vehicles. Engine protection reduces wear, deposits, and keeps pistons and components cleaner. Fuel efficiency support helps improve gas mileage and engine efficiency. Convenient 5-quart bottle, ideal for multiple oil changes at home. Pros: long-lasting performance with extended oil change intervals. Excellent engine protection and cleaner operation. Works reliably in all weather conditions. Cons: slightly more expensive than regular synthetic oils. May not be necessary for drivers who change oil every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Best for car owners who want maximum engine protection, longer oil change intervals, and peace of mind for daily driving or long trips. Number 2. Introducing Pennzoil Platinum 5W30 Full Synthetic Motor Oil, a high-performance oil designed to keep your engine running cleaner and longer. Full synthetic formula, made from natural gas, not crude oil, for superior purity and performance. SAE 5W30 viscosity works in extreme temperatures for smooth starts and stable performance. Clean engine technology helps reduce sludge and deposits, keeping engines cleaner. Enhanced engine protection reduces wear on pistons and moving parts for longer engine life. Pack of 3, 5 quarts each, perfect for multiple oil changes or keeping spare oil on hand. Vehicle compatibility, ideal for most cars requiring 5W30 synthetic oil. Pros: excellent engine cleanliness and long-lasting protection. Performs well in hot and cold climates. Good value with a 3-pack for frequent oil changes. Cons: slightly higher upfront cost than standard synthetic oils. Bulk packaging may be unnecessary for occasional drivers. Best for car owners who want maximum engine protection, cleaner operation, and value in bulk for regular oil changes or long-term maintenance. Number 1. Introducing Mobil 1 High Mileage 5W30, a full synthetic motor oil designed to protect engines with over 75,000 miles and keep them running smoothly. Full synthetic formula provides advanced lubrication for older engines. SAE 5W30 viscosity ensures smooth starts and stable performance in all temperatures. High mileage engine protection helps reduce oil consumption, leaks, and wear. Engine cleanliness keeps pistons and internal parts cleaner to extend engine life. 5-quart bottle, convenient size for multiple oil changes at home. Fuel efficiency support, designed to maintain performance without compromising gas mileage. Pros: excellent protection for older or high mileage engines. Helps reduce leaks, sludge, and engine wear. Reliable performance in hot and cold conditions. Cons: slightly more expensive than regular synthetic oils. Not necessary for new engines or vehicles under 75,000 miles. Perfect for car owners with high mileage vehicles looking to extend engine life, reduce leaks, and maintain performance. Check the link in the description to buy Mobil 1 High Mileage 5W30 today, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.